Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a P0463 code. That's the code for fuel level sensor. Circuit high input. If your vehicle is showing this code, your fuel gauge might be reading inaccurately, or you're getting a check engine light due to issues with the fuel level sensor. Let's go through the steps to diagnose and fix it. P0463 is a generic OBD to diagnostic trouble code DTC defined as fuel level sensor circuit high input. Your vehicle's powertrain control module PCM or engine control module. ECM monitors the fuel level circuit to determine the amount of gas in the fuel tank and manage fuel usage and economy. Faulty fuel level sensor sender unit. Fault in the fuel level sensor circuit. Mechanically damaged sending unit arm. Problems with the network or the body computer. Problem with the PCM, for example, software in need of an update. Faulty smart fuse box or integrated power module if equipped. Illuminated check engine light. Inaccurate fuel readings. This happens when the fuel level indicated is different from the actual fuel level. Low fuel light that's on or flashing. First, grab an OBD scanner to confirm the P0463 code. If you don't have one, you can pick one up or visit an auto parts store. Most will scan your car for free. The fuel level sensor is usually located in the fuel tank or attached to the fuel pump carrier bracket. First, carefully remove the fuel level sensor from your vehicle. Visually check the fuel level sensor's float, sliding contact, wires, and electrical connections for any damages. Use a multimeter to proceed a resistance test on the fuel level sensor. The resistance reading should be different between when empty and when full. Check your owner's manual for the standard range. If your reading doesn't match the owner's manual, then the fuel level sensor should be replaced. After replacing the sensor or fixing any wiring issues, go ahead and clear the code using the OBD to scanner. Start the car and let it idle, watching for any return of the check engine light. And that's it, you've successfully fixed the P0463 code. Remember, it's always a good idea to address issues like these early to prevent any potential breakdowns on the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car repair tips, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.